Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to set mirror in CapCut. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this you have to open your CapCut. Now select your video. Now press on your video. Then search for transform. Here it is. You have to press on this. Now here you can see the option of mirror. You have to click on this to mirror it. That's it. So this is how to set mirror in CapCut. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.